Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Haute Modesty. Today I have a special treat, and this box is called the Kinder box. And if you want to know more about it, please stay tuned. Welcome back. Today, as I was saying, we have a treat. And I know there's a lot of you out there that are into vegan and also cruelty-free, definitely cruelty-free without being said, products. So I was looking around to see if there was anything that was out there that may interest you all. And I found this box called Kinder. And let me tell you a little bit about this box. And what the box says, I have it in front of me, it says each month you'll get up to $165 worth of clean, vegan, and cruelty-free skincare, makeup, hair care, and accessories, including at least 2 full-size products. That's great. And discover new brands to fall in love with. Gain access to exclusive special collections, limited edition offers, and flash sales. And learn what brands and products our co-founders Daniela and Ivana are recommending. Receive products from top brands like 100% Pure, Allure Naturals, Inika Organics, Franklin and Whitman, and more. And you know, I recognize a lot of those brands because I see them when I shop at Whole Foods, and I have had the opportunity to look at the ingredients. Actually, I have the Allure Naturals organic sunscreen as well, and I have tried that, and it's pretty good. It is definitely mineral sunscreen, and so it's really good. And let me see what else it says. And it says, what's more, a portion of all sales benefits some of our favorite animal rights and environmental causes. Wow. I mean, this sold me right there. Just the fact that they do actually donate a portion of their proceeds. And so it says, get your Kinder Beauty Box. And let me tell you about the cost of these boxes. You would think, oh, okay, organic and all these great things is going to be really expensive. Actually, no. Monthly, it's $25. And if you do a 3 months, it ends up being $24 a month. And then if you do a 6 months prepay, it's $23 a month. Not only that, they send you an additional box for that 6 months and sometimes 3 months, depending on what deal they have going on. That gives you an additional box that's worth like $75 more for free. And so this is definitely something to check into. And I did reach out actually to the company this morning because I just got the box today and asking them, is there any way that, you know, I don't want anything from it. I mean, I'm paying for my own box, but if I can get a discount code for my subscribers, that'd be great. So I don't know how long that's going to take, but if you're interested, you know, check them out because at least get a box, and $25 is not bad at all. So, but let's see what's in the box, okay? So let's go. It comes packaged like this. I mean, just like any other, you know, USPS box, nothing special. And I don't mind the boxes being not special if, you know, it's going to keep the cost down and really, you know, pay for some of the proceeds to these organizations that support animals and the environment. So, ta-da! I still have it. And so, anyway, I digress. That's that. And so, like I said, I really don't mind. I know there's one particular person, Dana, I didn't say your name, who's really into this cruelty-free, and she keeps me on a straight and narrow because straight as an arrow, and narrow, to make sure that all my products are actually cruelty-free, and I really appreciate that. Okay, so the box comes like this. And, oh, it's just like any other box. And what does it say here? A kinder world is a more beautiful world. How true is that, right? With everything that's going on, kindness goes a long way these days. And so, there's a card. Oh, it's like a booklet. And it comes like this. It looks like that's the first product up top. You got a sneak preview. Okay, so what does this card say? Okay, oh, it's just like a fold-up card, but it's nice. It's nice quality. Aesthetics, even the card, like it's so pretty. Anyway, so it does say the products that's inside the box, it looks like, and it does give me the price. So instead of me reading it right now, let me show you the products, then I will read it for you, okay? And so let's see. Okay, being that this is on top, this is a glove makeup remover for all skin types. Oh, I'm glad, because I was gonna order something in Amazon that's washable, but I want to make sure I get a good brand. I don't want just the generic things that's going to fall apart the first time I put it in a washer. But here it is, and let me tell you a little about this. Let's see. Sorry about that. I'm trying to reach for my. I'm not organized today. Okay, so the glove on the go eco packaging. Oh, ECO. I'm like, what is that? Eco packaging. So glove not only removes makeup, but also leaves the skin balanced, soft, and divine. Glove is dermatologically tested, hypoallergenic, and gentle, not only for your skin. It leaves your skin and moods soothed and comforted. And the value of this retail value is $12.99. So that's nice. Okay, great. I will definitely give it a try, because I've been looking for something more, instead of throwing away the cotton swabs each time and, doing the wipes each time and then washing behind that, something more ecologically sound. So I'll give that a try. I'll give that a try? Really? Sorry about that, guys. Anyway, you probably wonder why I'm dressed like this. This is like a throw. It is freezing over here in California. Man, it's like going down to the 60s today. And we have a cold front coming, and they say it's going to be in the 50s tomorrow. So I'm like, oh my God, I'm going to die. And so I have socks on and everything. Usually, no, in California, we're like, woo, but no, not today. So anyway, I digress. So the next one I see here is very interesting. Here it is. It looks like something that will go under the eyes, and it is. And this is 100% pure bright eye mask, highly caffeinated eye mask. Ooh, I should just slap that on right now. Brightens and depuffs, extremely hydrating, quenches thirsty skin with blast of water delivered to dehydrated skin. And the mask material is a hydrogel. It's composed from 95% organic aloe water and 5% plant cellulose, made to intensely hydrate. The longer you leave the mask on your skin, the thinner the hydrogel mask becomes, because the water gets absorbed. The hydrogel assists in delivering active ingredients into your skin. And the retail value is $7. That's very interesting. But I'm going to be honest with you. It's not only the absorption it makes the gel probably thinner. It's also, you got to account for evaporation. You know what I mean? So, I'm trying to make this factual. So, yeah, definitely. Oh, and it's like, it's got liquid in it. I don't know if you can see. Hold on. Can you see the liquid? Like right in here? Watch. So there's definitely liquid in here. So very interesting. Okay, I like that. Okay, and I'm going to grab for the next item, which I think is going to be the full size product. Okay, I'm trying to get this perfected here, guys. So where is the optimal place? Okay, that's that. And this is the Dirty Lamb Ultra Night Serum. So let me tell you about it. Okay, it says, want to look like you slept a full 8 hours? Our highly antioxidant blend of fatty acid oils will keep your skin hydrated through the night. Wheat germ oil, nature's powerhouse of vitamin E, will my God, will bring liveliness to your night skin. Sweat dreams. Gee, guys, I don't know what's going on. I think I need to just slow down a little bit. Deep breath. Sorry about that. Okay, so the wheat germ, nature's powerhouse of vitamin E, will bring liveliness to your night skin. Sweet dreams are on the way with a hint of lavender, ylang ylang, and orange. Apply to 2 to 3 drops before bed. Simply warm between the palms of your hands and pat onto the face and neck. Feel free to use when you need an antioxidant boost hydration. And this is actually retails for $52. And so let's see. Natural, vegan, cruelty-free, unisex. That's kind of weird. I never seen that on a label. Oh, yeah, I think all of these are kind of unisex, right? If men want to use it, they use it. So let's see. And Looking for to see. Okay, there is sweet almond oil, grapeseed oil, avocado oil, hemp seed oil, of course. And there is no fragrance. You know, that's another reason why I really am going to enjoy this, I think, because if you're looking at a box like Kinder, you would think that it's all paraben free and all of those chemical free. So I would think fragrance would be included in that. So, you know, that it would be fragrance free. So I hope so. So anyway, like I said, $52 for that one. And there's a couple of other things here. The next one is called a Fleur and Bee eye cream. Eyes baby. eyes baby. Remember that? I think Vanilla Ice, right? Yeah, that's who that was. And you're like, how would she know that? Yeah, you know, I mean, I have a teenager. Oh, I had a teenager back then. She's grown now. But so this is Eyes Baby Eye Cream. Here it is. And you know, I always wonder why people would turn their heads away when they're filming, like, you know, when they're doing this or like this. I figured out why that is, because these focusing on the camera focuses on the eyes. It looks for the eyes. And so unless you turn your head away, it's like looking for your eyes, keeping everything blurry. See, so this is the reason why if I go like this, it focuses much quicker. I had to figure that out. I always wonder, why do they look away? It's kind of weird. But anyway, I am really digressing today, guys. I am so sorry. It's just, I have not filmed a video, to be honest with you, in a couple of days, like in 2 days, because I was ahead and I had them scheduled and I had my wedding anniversary yesterday and everything. So I was just like trying to, you know, kind of spend the time with my husband and everything. And so I didn't. And I'm all so excited to talk to you guys today. Now that I got you guys in front of me again. So anyway, yeah. Let me continue. So Fleur and Bee Eyes Baby Anti-Aging Eye Cream is a vitamin and moisturizing ingredients designed to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This incredible eye cream tightens the skin around your eyes to give you that slept all night look. Eyes Baby is vegan, cruelty-free, and formulated without parabens, sulfates, or other nasties. Like fragrance, I hope. And the retail value on this is $22. And of course, this is full size. It is it is eye cream. And so, yeah, it is what it is. Let's see. And you know what? It has a lot. Wow. It has kosher vegetables in it. That's great. That's like saying halal for us, you know. Kosher is great. That's even better than halal. Let's see. Yep. There is no perfume and no extra scents. So a lot of extracts like green tea, organic green tea extract, pomegranate fruit extract. So there's a lot of that. You know what? These are really good. I'm happy about that. No paraben, no sulfate, 100% vegan, no silicones, no GMOs, and it just goes on and on and on. This is great for $25. Come on. I mean, they're not putting all the cheap junk in there. But, let me warn you right now, though. The thought just jumped in my head. I'm like, you know, all over the place today, but this is important. Notice that a lot of these products, they have a lot shorter life than a lot of the your traditional cosmetics or traditional skincare. And why that is because there is no preservatives, right? And so if you're able to preserve something using chemicals, it's going to last a little longer. So these things don't last as long, but still, this is good for 12 months, right? And so where the other ones, I have gotten eye cream that's good for 24 months, So, you know, that's an indication too of, you know, if it can stay for longer, it's probably because they have some kind of a chemical preservative in there. So take a look at that as well. Just a little sidetrack, you know, I just remembered to tell you that. So getting back on track. The last thing in the box is, this is very cute. And it looks like a eyeshadow. And this is a very nice, like a copper-like, bronzy color. I'm glad it's not gold. Okay, so let me tell you a little about this. And this is called a Medusa Makeup. Okay, that's the name of the brand. Medusa Makeup Eye Dust. It's called Pennywise. So that's copper. Penny, right? So it's easy to shine with one of Medusa's ultra shimmering loose pigment shadow powders that can be used on eyes, lips, and face. These finely milled mineral eyeshadows are high impact, long lasting, and a little addictive. It glides on the skin like silk and wears well all day long, and retail value of that is $8. And you know, I'm gonna try it to see, because I've never used these type of kinder, you know, type of pigments, and I'll see how long it lasts. And this is always good, because I'm always willing to try new type of makeup, especially if it's like really good for you type. And so I'm gonna enjoy this. But it's a very nice color. It kind of has a undertone, a pinky undertone, like a mauve undertone, so it's not like an orange, so which I really appreciate. So that's that. And so I'll do a look. And also today I did a look. I also videoed an earlier kind of get ready with me type of thing real quick, using liquid eyeshadow by Huda, which is so easy. I mean, a lot of people are intimidated by liquid eyeshadows, and you shouldn't be, because you'll see from that video, it's a lot less work to get this than doing powder eyeshadow. So anyway, that's that. And also, I want to let you guys know that I've been looking at my analytics and the YouTube, and there's something that's been standing out, and they've been sending me emails about it, and that is the time that I upload these videos. According to the analytics, and which they continue to tell me, is that I am not uploading these at an optimal time, that I should look at changing the time. And so they gave me a list of Monday through Sunday, what time is the best time for my channel to get viewership. So if I upload it at a certain time, and I know you guys are getting used to me uploading it, you know, 6 a.m., you know, my time, which is California time. But I'm gonna have to try it and see what happens. I know you guys are getting used to that time, but if you guys would just humor me, and, you know, unless you're totally opposed to it, and if that's the case, put it in the comments, because I really like to try and see if it would help maybe not bury my videos at the optimal time that people are actually watching. And so I want to give that a try, okay? But I wanted to give you guys a warning before I did that. I don't want to one day show up and you don't find my video at 5 a.m. or 6 a.m. or whatever time it is where you are, that you're used to seeing it. And so, but please, you know, work with me here. I'm just trying different things according to the analytics and see if it works, okay? And so I think that's it. And I have a couple of video ideas that I'm working on. I'm actually right now still working on the outline about cosmetic safety, and I've gotten a couple of really good pictures, and it's kind of gross. I'm going to warn you right now, but they're actual pictures of what happens if you don't take care of your cosmetics. And so yeah, being a nurse, things aren't gross to me, so you guys need to give me feedback. If this is like way too gross, I'll know in the future. Yeah, please don't put those pictures on there, but you know, to me, they're like reality. So, and I don't want you guys to see what can really happen. But I'm going to give you 100% lesson education on how to prevent it. That's the good part. There's a way to prevent it. It's 100% preventable. Okay. And so that is that. So if I added any value today, please hit like. And if you're here for the first time and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and ring that bell so that way you get noticed anytime I upload a new video. So I'm hoping that everybody is well, and everybody take care of yourself. And as I always say, remember, don't sweat the small stuff. And I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.